Hi everyone, my name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you all how to use Snap and Read in Schoology. So as you can see, I'm currently signed into Schoology and I'm going to open up one of my assignments and I'm going to use Snap and Read to help me access this curriculum. So what I'm going to do is come up to my Snap and Read extension and go ahead and turn that on. Now I know that Snap and Read will read to me in Schoology. However, I'm going to open up this link here that is next on my assignment. And since I have open this assignment here, I can begin interacting with this text directly. So I'm just going to click on my first option, which is our text reader, and I'm just going to have this read aloud to me.
Even now, when I hear the word inquiry, I still think mainly of asking questions and designing experiments.
And of course, I could continue on with that. And since this is a new topic for me about claim, evidence, and reasoning, this text is going to be a little bit more complex for me. So what I can do is I can actually level this text. So what I'm going to do is click on my extension, click on my options, and I'm going to set it at maximum and to simplify my words. So I'm going to go back to this document and just click once on this dynamic text leveler. And you will see that now a lot of my text has been italicized. So for example, if we look at the word investigation, if I hover over that, that is going to be inquiry. So I'm just clicking on that. I also have my translate on, so it's going to give me that simplified version in Spanish and back to that more complex text. And of course, if I need that read, which I do, I'm going to click on my text reader and just click here.
I blame question or investigation, not question or investigation in the general.
And that makes a little bit more sense to me rather than the word inquiry in this example. Now, if I am a student that needs some language support, we do have translation on over here as we saw earlier. And all I'm going to do is click on my translate tool and just highlight that text that I need translated directly. And now my text has been translated. So if I need that read, I'm going to click on my read aloud tool and just go ahead and have it start reading.
Incluso ahora, cuando escucho la palabra indagación, sigo pensando principalmente en hacer preguntas y diseñar experimentos.
Awesome. So I understood that and I could continue on with my assignment. However, now that I am ready to begin to start taking some notes on this, of course, I am going to utilize my outline to grab the most important information. So what I could do is I just want to take this paragraph here. I think that this is important. And I'm going to pop it over into my outline and I will come and add a template in. And let's say we want to do some, main ideas and support details. And I'm going to grab the most important information. So this is going to be my title. It's going to pop it over there. And then I could, come up here and move it around as needed. So that is how you use Snap and Read in Schoology. They work very seamlessly together. And of course, I could always just bounce back over to my tab and continue working on the rest of my assignments. I hope that this support helped you. And if you need any additional help, don't hesitate to reach out.